Right, so hey guys, welcome to another tutorial where I'm going to teach you how to temporarily disable your Windows security or Windows Defender. So it's a very simple process. You might want to do this because you have a download pending or whatnot. So yeah, okay. So what you're going to do is you're going to search here, okay, in your search bar, or if you don't have the search thing enabled, just go into the start button and start typing. Search on security. And you should have Windows security right here. Okay, open that and it will bring you here. Okay, yours might look like this. Okay, and yeah, so yours might look like this. Okay, so you're going to go into the virus and threat protection. Okay, then you're going to go into the manage settings right here, and here for real-time protection you're just going to disable it. Click on yes, and there your Windows 11 Defender is temporarily disabled. Okay, so now you can go in and you can do you can download the stuff you wanted to. Okay, and then once you're done, you can come back here. Okay, you can come back to Windows Security, go into the virus and threat, and then just turn this on back, close this, and basically you're done. It's a very simple process, and I hope this video helped you. So yeah, thanks for watching, folks.